Hey everyone, the Xiaomi Mijia Wireless Vacuum Cleaner 4 feels like Xiaomi refining the formula rather than reinventing it. It sits comfortably in the mid-range cordless vacuum category but brings several features that make everyday cleaning easier and smarter than expected for the price. At 999 yuan in China, it delivers strong suction, intelligent clean. Hey everyone, the Xiaomi Mijia Wireless Vacuum Cleaner 4 feels like Xiaomi refining the formula rather than reinventing it. It sits comfortably in the mid-range cordless vacuum category but brings several features that make everyday cleaning easier and smarter than expected for the price. At 999 yuan in China, it delivers strong suction, intelligent cleaning adjustments, and practical usability without trying to be overly complicated. The biggest highlight is clearly the performance. Xiaomi equipped the vacuum with a high-speed, brushless motor spinning at 120,000 RPM, producing up to 230 air-watt suction power and 25,000 Pascal suction force. In real-world use, that should be more than enough for dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris on both hard floors and carpets. It positions the Vacuum Cleaner 4 closer to premium cordless models while still remaining relatively affordable. One feature that immediately stands out is the blue light integrated into the cleaning head. Similar to systems used in more expensive vacuums, it helps reveal hidden dust on floors, especially under sofas, beds, or darker corners of the house. It sounds simple, but once you see how much invisible dirt it exposes, it becomes surprisingly useful. Xiaomi also designed the brush head for edge cleaning, helping collect dust closer to walls and baseboards where many vacuums struggle. The smart suction adjustment is another practical addition. Using infrared sensors, the vacuum automatically increases or decreases power depending on how dirty the floor is. This not only improves cleaning efficiency but also helps conserve battery life. Instead of running at maximum power all the time, the vacuum adapts to the situation automatically. Hair tangling is a common frustration with cordless vacuums, and Xiaomi addresses this with a dual anti-tangle system. The built-in comb structure separates hair before it wraps around the roller, while the mite brush pushes hair directly into the airflow. For homes with long hair or pets, this could make maintenance much easier over time. Battery life is respectable, though clearly dependent on the cleaning mode. Xiaomi claims up to 90 minutes in eco mode, but realistic mixed cleaning in smart mode lands closer to 20 to 35 minutes. Maximum power drains the battery very quickly at roughly 10 minutes, which is expected considering the suction output. The removable battery is a smart touch because users can swap in a spare pack instead of waiting for a recharge. Filtration also looks solid on paper. The 12-cone cyclone separation system helps prevent clogging and maintain airflow, while the 5-stage filtration setup with an H13 HEPA filter captures very fine particles. That makes it a good option for households concerned about dust or allergens. At 999 yuan, or roughly $146, the Mijia Wireless Vacuum Cleaner 4 undercuts many premium cordless vacuums. The Mijia Wireless Vacuum Cleaner 4 ultimately feels like a product designed around convenience and efficiency rather than marketing gimmicks. It focuses on visibility, edge cleaning, automatic suction adjustment, reduced maintenance, and air filtration, all areas that genuinely improve the cleaning experience. For users wanting a capable cordless vacuum without paying flagship prices, Xiaomi's latest model looks like one of the stronger value-oriented options currently coming out of the Chinese appliance market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.